New port request? Haven't authorized it yet? Here's how to cancel. Click your phone number, then click Cancel this request. If you just need to make an update to your port request, contact our customer support. When you're ready to cancel, click the green Yes, Cancel Port button. Rejected port? Here's how to cancel. If you won't be taking action to correct the rejection, just click Cancel this request. Port approved and change your mind? Here's how to cancel. If it is 72 hours before your scheduled transfer date, you may be able to cancel by clicking Cancel Port. If it is under 72 hours before your scheduled transfer date, you can try to cancel but may receive an error. We may not be able to cancel your port at this time. Please contact customer support for help. Have more questions? Feel free to reach out to our customer support team at support@numberbarn.com.